My supreme namaskarams to all of you. My name is Nerala Malyadri. I am now practicing as an advocate in Honorable Supreme Court of India and both the Telugu High Courts of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh after my voluntary retirement as a district judge. Today, a positive and important decision taken by Lady Sri Ram College and also the Stephens College in Delhi. We will discuss. And my request is all the colleges, either private or government, must consider these proposals and see that students, they will not resort to commit suicides and they will be able to study well. Let us see what are the decisions taken by them and what can be further done and all that, particularly during this COVID-19 pandemic effects and troubles the children or students and the people all over world are facing. Lady Sri Ram College observed, rather taken a decision that students are not able to avail certain facilities of the college due to being off campus. So the college has removed such charges from the fees this year. This has led to a substantial reduction in the fee. In addition, it is possible to pay the fee in installments. So whatever facilities the students were not able to avail, for those facilities, if any charges are already collecting, they were cut off, they were removed. Not only that, the rest of the fees also permitted to pay by way of installments. Further, they also allowed the second year students to stay in the hostel. If already they are in the hostel, they are continued to stay, and if some of them left the hostel for any reason, they are also permitted to stay in the hostel. Exceptional circumstances of COVID-19 pandemic are considered and then their second year students on the basis of need on fresh application are allowed to stay, and the first year students after the commitments to join in the college are permitted to stay. So St. Stephen's College Association calls for setting up a panel to reach out students in financial need. This is very important. A committee is constituted to ensure that each student who needs a device like a laptop or some other instrument must be provided one each, and department is in the process of creating a list of students requiring devices and their addresses. The college committee will ensure that these are procured and distributed to all students who need these at the earliest possible. So why these decisions are taken are, these are also demands raised by the students union after Aishwarya, a student of the Lady Sri Ram College, LSR College for women and an IAS aspirant, was found hanging at her Shadnagar house in Telangana's Rangareddy district on November 2. So see, one death of a very good student who is an aspirant for IAS and who went all the way from Andhra Pradesh Shadnagar to Delhi and studying there, could not pay the hostel fees or other amount 40,000 rupees, and she committed suicide. She was studying BSc Mathematics second year honors, and she returned to Telangana from Delhi in March after those staying in the hostel were asked to go home by college authorities in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. So the death of this girl has prompted for giving these rebates and concessions. This is very important. Please, all other institutions all over world can think of all these things and consider what are the best possible facilities that can be provided to students, particularly downtrodden and poor, and who are interested to avail these facilities. Unless and until government takes some important decisions in this regard, making the banks responsible to give loans to students and with some subsidy, definitely there will not be proper education. I came to know that Delhi University decided to extend support to its students not only by way of fees reduction but also by providing data cards and laptops and other important instruments necessary for the further education of the students. So this trend is good, but at the same time, when we want to have a beautiful and good education for the development of this country, and philosophy is that if there are educated people both in terms of college education and also with social responsibility and understanding of the society's problems, definitely the country will be developed ethically and economically and spiritually in all aspects. I request all those who are concerned and at the helm of affairs, both in the government and opposition to government and philanthropic institutions and social service organizations, please make it as a constitutional responsibility and social responsibility and spiritual responsibility of all of you to help particularly the students, poor and needy students, by providing proper education, by giving financial aid and instruments necessary for development of them as the first and foremost cause. Then I hope in near future our country, rather entire world, will be developed in a proper way, and after all COVID-19 vaccine they will invent, many other inventions they will make. It is the students who will become scientists or lawyers or judges or doctors or whatnot, who will be able to justify their role and sacrifice their time and money and life for the sake of others, because they took help from the society, they took help from the college, they took help from government and social service organizations and others when they were in need. So please, it is a give and take principle. Please help others, particularly the students who are in need of the help, and then develop the country. Thank you. Please like and subscribe this video and request your friends to subscribe this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.